Hello everyone, welcome back once again on my YouTube channel English with Dehati ma'am. And today the day is so gloomy because the sky is overcast and the sun is behind the clouds. And still I am sitting on the terrace and I am sitting like before shooting this video I was just reading this book, My Experiments with Truth, written by an autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and with a notebook as well. So I thought of making a video, so now I'm shooting a video. And as I want to tell you for a very long time that many of the learners, they can't learn English. They can never ever get fluency. They can never ever become a confident English speaker just because of their one mistake. They are so much conscious, they are so much scared of making mistakes. So as when I was speaking the autobiography, I couldn't speak it in one go. So the same thing happens with everybody. When we try to speak or when we try to get accustomed to something, then it needs practice. So we have to practice a lot. Without practice, nothing is going to happen. And in order to overcome your mistakes, you should allow yourself for making mistakes. If you will not put yourself in that situation where you will have to speak a lot, how will you be able to speak correct English? And being a beginner, I would say most of us, we are so much scared of making mistakes. From the very beginning itself, we just want to speak the correct sentences, specifically using advanced vocabulary as well as using advanced sentence structure. We just want to be perfect in our sentences. We don't want to make even a single grammatical mistake. Tell me, is it possible? No, it's not possible. Nothing happens overnight. It really takes time. You have to put effort in it. Every person makes mistake. Even in this book, which I am reading right now, in this book itself, Mahatma Gandhi ji, he mentioned several times that in his younger days he made lots of mistakes. Once he got into the habit of smoking, but somehow he got rid of this habit. He also made many mistakes, but at least over time, he got the realization, and he got rid of all the habits. So every person learns from his or her own experiences. Same thing goes for English language as well. When somebody starts speaking English being a beginner, then it's pretty obvious that that person will make mistake. Know this thing that you will definitely make mistake. You are a beginner, you are not a perfect one. You have just started your English language learning or speaking journey. So I'm going to make mistakes. Then why this thought always stays with you 24 by 7 in your mind that I should be perfect? My each and every sentence should be grammatically perfect. I should use from the very beginning itself advanced vocabularies. No, you will have to work on it. First of all, you have to get this thing. There's no need to be the perfect one. We have to acknowledge our mistake. Everybody learns from his mistakes. Why don't you understand this thing? Nobody can overcome his or her one mistake just by one time. We need to attempt for this several times, maybe 100 times. So if you really want to speak a sentence correctly, then why don't you practice it again and again? There's a simple sentence. How long have you been working on your communication skill? If for a beginner, it would be difficult for him to say this sentence in one go. But if he or she will be keep doing the practice again and again, then definitely he will be able to say it. How long have you been working on your communication skill? How long have you been working on your communication skill? It is about supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. For a beginner, it would be difficult, but it was difficult for me as well. But I just kept doing it. I practiced again and again, again and again, again and again. I attempted several times. Then only now I could say this sentence. Now I can speak this sentence. So, but I'm here. I'm here just to tell you, Don't run away from your mistakes. Accept your mistake. If you are making some mistakes and you are getting, yes, I am making this mistake knowingly, unknowingly, then instead of just complaining yourself, instead of feeling embarrassing about your mistake, why don't you put your efforts for overcoming that mistake just by practicing again and again? If you really want to be perfect in speaking and listening and everything, then you will have to put efforts. You will have to bear the pain. You will have to read the same sentence at least 20 times, 30 times. Then only you will be able to say or speak a difficult sentence in a very easy way. I know that this particular thing you must be found it tedious, boring, but you can do it. Nothing is impossible. So, the way I have overcome my mistake, the same way I just want you to choose for overcoming your mistakes. And that is very simple, by practicing again and again. By practicing again and again, you will have to write it down the sentence in correct way, and then you will have to speak it out loud in the correct way. And when your mouth, your jaw muscles, your mind will be trained to speak the correct sentences, to write the correct sentences, and to listen the correct sentences, then only the correct sentences will come out of your mouth. So, speaking correct sentences is not a big deal. It is totally up to you. How do you take this thing? Sometimes while practicing, we just zone out. We want to do something else, but we just zone out. Zone out मतलब अपने ही ख्यालों में खो जाना. We just start thinking about the perfectness, the moment when I'll be perfect. You will have to come out of from that. First of all, you have to enjoy the process. Without enjoy the process, you will not be able to enjoy the destination. Destination comes only for a moment, but the journey stays with you throughout your life. So try to enjoy the journey. Don't to try uh, don't dream about the destination. Zoning about your destination is not a good thing. Focus on, because most of the time we, when we hesitate or when we don't want to speak before strangers, we don't want to take our steps just because of we have dreamed about a lot about our destination. So don't always look for the destination. Enjoy the process of working on your mistakes, the process of speaking again and again and working on the tedious task. Even if it is tedious for you, you will have to keep doing it. You will have to make sure that you don't miss even a single day when it comes to practicing. Even if you speak the incorrect sentences, however, you will have to acknowledge yourself. You will have to acknowledge the level which you have right now. You will have to acknowledge the sentences which you speak right now. You will have to acknowledge everything, and then you will have to record yourself, find out the mistake, just then watch out your video and try to find out the mistakes, try to find out and try to overcome your mistake just by practicing on it again and again. While speaking with strangers, while speaking in front of your camera, you will have to just speak. But when you are working on your mistakes, at that time you just need to practice again and again and again. So I am here just for telling you, there's no need to be worried. There's no need to be anxious. Sometimes people, they seem apprehensive just because of not being able to speak the correct sentences, but it's not good at all. Apprehensive means worried, anxious. Okay? Don't be apprehensive. Work on yourself. Everything will be possible for you, because I know that you will definitely learn this word. You will definitely work on your communication skill. You will definitely overcome your mistakes. As in today's video, I have used two new words, tedious and apprehensive. Tedious means something which is too boring, and apprehensive means a person who looks worried or anxious. So, how I am learning and I'm using it. Whenever I feel like, I just practice and I use and I give these sentences, give these words a situation where I use those words. Same thing you have to want to add in your communication. Okay, you can do anything, but you will have to make sure that you are doing it with consistency. You are practicing each and every single day without skipping even a single day. So I hope you must have got my idea. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.